What's up everyone, I am T and Trains, and today I'll show you the 3 new Thomas & Friends Trackmaster motorized action from 2016. I'll show you all 3. The first one I got is Wing Thomas with a blue Annie and Clarabelle, and it says Thomas has fold out wings. And check the back what it says. It says, in the Thomas & Friends episode, Hugo and the Airship. Thomas dreams he can fly. Now you can relive that moment with Wing Thomas featuring fold-out wings, a spoiler, and his coaches Annie and Clarabelle. Wing Thomas is a unique addition to your Trackmaster motorized railway. That is number 1. The next one is Hugo and Skip. It says Hugo's propeller spins. And check the back, and it says, in the Thomas & Friends episode, Hugo and the Airship. A blast of air from Hugo's propeller sends Skip the railboat on a wild ride. Featuring Hugo with his spinning propeller and Skip, this pack lets you recreate the first encounter between these unique characters. That is number 2. And number 3 I have Ryan and Jerome. And it says cool adjustable crane. Check the back and what it says. It says Ryan is a friendly engine who gets concerned when he sees others in trouble, and Jerome is a breakdown crane ready to respond to any emergency. Featuring motorized Ryan and Jerome with his adjustable crane arm, this pack lets you relive the first encounter between these unique characters. And that is number 3. Okay. And that's it, everybody. I show you all the 3 new Trackmaster engines. So please leave a comment, subscribe, leave a like, and thumbs up. Bye bye.